In this video, we're going to be going over two categories of keywords. So in the last video, we went over categories of intent. So intent means what the user is thinking when he searches for the keyword. But no matter what kind of intent, there are things called long tail and short tail keywords. So that is your category of keywords. So let's talk about what that means. You already know that a keyword could be one word or it could be up to 100 words or even more than that. A keyword just means the phrase that someone types into Google to search for something. Now, if I want to buy matcha, I could type buy matcha. Or I could type in, I want to buy matcha. Okay, so the keywords have the same intent. They're both commercial and they both want to buy matcha, presumably. The difference is how long the keyword is. So the 2-word keyword, it has less words. So in terms of math, there's going to be a higher probability of the average person typing the shorter keyword than there is of someone typing the long I want to buy matcha keyword. So in theory, what that means is that short keywords will get more searches every month. Long tail keywords will get will get less searches every single month. So why would you ever want to go after a long tail keyword if it has theoretically the same intent and it's longer, which means it's getting less searches every single month? Well, there's a few reasons. The first reason is because it's getting less searches a month, it means that it's going to be less competitive. Less competitive means that you have a higher chance of ranking it high on Google, which is exactly what we want to do. The other thing is there are some keywords that you're really only going to find long tail keywords for. So for example, if you want to, let's say, drink matcha and you're worried that it will stain your teeth, you're not going to type in matcha teeth. Well, maybe you would, but more likely what you're going to search is does matcha stain teeth? And if you search that on Google, you're actually going to find one of my articles that writes about exactly that, as well as a number of other articles. So when it comes to keywords, the general strategy is you keep your keyword length, your tails, long, and write articles for long tail keywords when you're just starting out, when your blog is new, when you don't have a lot of traffic, because you have a higher probability of showing up on Google for people searching for keywords that have less volume. Now that leads into the next topic that we need to talk about, which is volume and keyword difficulty. Very important concept, and we'll talk about that in the next video.